In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way that you can make $100 per day using affiliate marketing in Fiverr. And no, I'm not going to tell you to actually buy any of these gigs. What we're going to do is we're actually going to build a real online business helping people and using Fiverr and affiliate marketing. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online with affiliate marketing. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Now, if you're not sure what Fiverr is simply a freelancing website that people can go to buy and sell gigs. Fiverr has gained a lot of popularity over the last few years because of the pandemic and people looking for side hustles and different ways to make ends meet. There's two ways to use Fiverr. You can use Fiverr as a buyer or a seller. One way is simply where you're going to list your different gigs or skills, and another way is to hire people that have those skills. But what we're actually going to do is we're going to take advantage of this opportunity. We're going to promote Fiverr in a special way, and we're going to make money. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to figure out what are some popular things that people are talking about. You can look at Google Trends, you can look and see what's happening on TikTok or YouTube, but I've got an even easier way. One thing that is really popular on YouTube right now is YouTube automation. And so if we just go over to trends.google.com, I'm going to show you how the term YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow has gained a lot of popularity. And if you're not familiar, YouTube automation is basically where you hire a team of people to create a YouTube channel for you. You would need a script writer, a video editor, a voiceover actor or actress, someone to do the thumbnails, and even someone to upload the videos. And so we're actually going to use this as an opportunity to help us make money. So if I just type in YouTube automation like this, and we're going to see that it has gained a lot of popularity over the last weeks, months, and even years. So if we scroll out over, let's do five years like this, you're going to see that people are looking up YouTube automation. And if we go over to YouTube and we just type in YouTube automation, you can see that there are hundreds of thousands of views of people wanting to learn what YouTube automation is. And so what we're going to do, we're going to YouTube automation like this. What we're going to do is we're going to help those people get started with YouTube automation. And the cool thing is you can do this with a blog, a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, you can do this. But if we look at this YouTube automation tutorial, you're going to see the top results, 191,000 views, 17,000 views, 55,000 views, simply talking about YouTube automation. And so what you're going to do is you're going to actually use Fiverr to help these guys and girls get up and running. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create simple YouTube videos. And as you can see on the right-hand side here, it's still not really competitive. There's really one person dominating the space, maybe one or two people dominating the space, but you can still get in and create content. Also, I'm going to show you another way that you can get into this market as well if you don't want to use YouTube automation. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to create content, and we're going to go through each letter of the alphabet. We're going to talk about ideas and results. In fact, my channel, which is really interesting, is I did stupid easy YouTube channel ideas. And this is one of my most popular videos over the last few weeks and months. You can see here, 8,000 views from 5 months ago, 506 views from 3 months ago. But you can see I've created a few of these and they get a lot of traction, a lot of views. And so you can even create these types of videos, stupid easy YouTube channel ideas, and you come up with a list of 5 or 6, YouTube automation, anything regarding YouTube, you can actually start attracting people that are interested. And so what you're going to do is, of course, you're going to apply to be an affiliate for Fiverr. The next step is to figure out what type of content you're going to create. Are you going to create these stupid easy type channels, or are you going to create YouTube automation? You can actually do both. You can actually teach people how to start a YouTube channel as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Fiverr and you are going to type in voiceover English, okay? And you are going to copy this link right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a deep link. We're going to copy this, go over to Fiverr as an affiliate, and we are going to paste in our deep link. And what happens here, when we hit enter, this creates a unique URL that goes directly over to this page. And so we're going to create content on YouTube, teaching people about YouTube automation, teaching people about maybe even YouTube Shorts. I've got one other idea for you there. And then we're going to have them go to this link so that they can get the voiceover actor. We're making it easier for them. However, this link is really ugly. It's really long. What I recommend that you do is actually send your target audience to a landing page. And in order to get them to a landing page, you're going to need to give something to them for free. you can give them a YouTube automation checklist. So everything that they need to do in order to make money with YouTube automation. And so step 1 can be pick a niche. Step 2 is to, come up with keywords. Step 3 is to hire a team. And then within your free gift, you can include your affiliate links as just links. And so this is a really easy way to get people up and running. So you could say step 3, hire a voiceover actor or actress. And then you could say, click here to find the best voiceover actor or actress. And then once they click that link, it'll be this long link, and they purchase, you actually will get paid a commission. Now, there are a few different types of commissions that you can earn with Fiverr. I recommend doing the hybrid because you can get paid up to 12 months for every new buyer. If you do the Fiverr CPA, cost per acquisition, you'll get paid a one-time between $15 and $50. If these people are starting YouTube automation, they're going to come back to Fiverr again and again and again. So ultimately, I believe that this is going to be the best way to go over the long period of time, the Fiverr hybrid. And you're going to do the same thing for your thumbnail, right? Your thumbnail creator, your voiceover actor or actress, also your script writer. So that's actually 4 or 5 different opportunities to include affiliate links, just simply putting in this free guide. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create content on YouTube talking about YouTube automation or, easy YouTube channels. And then you're going to add a call to action. Hey, look, if you want a free YouTube automation checklist, click the link in my bio. It goes to a landing page where you collect their email address, and then you can actually give them this free thing that they've asked for, and then include affiliate links in. And then in addition, you can also send emails every single day talking about YouTube automation. You can send an email and say, hey, look, there are channels making over $1 million a year simply with YouTube automation. You can explain what YouTube automation is, and then once again, include affiliate links that link back to Fiverr. And in no time at all, this is the better way to do affiliate marketing. If you just send people directly over to Fiverr, you are going to need thousands of link clicks before you get a commission. However, if you do it this way, you will need hundreds, so substantially less. And the reason being is because it takes a while before people become warmed up to your content, between 5 to 12 touch points. And most likely, these people aren't going to watch every one of your YouTube videos. However, they will get an opportunity to open up every one of your emails. So you're going to send an email out every single day or frequently talking about the YouTube automation opportunity. You can actually expand this past just Fiverr affiliate marketing, but that's what our focus is. And so you're going to send emails talking about the best way to find a voiceover actor or actress, the best thumbnails, and then you're going to point back to the affiliate link that we created, the deep affiliate link. What you'll need to do is create different affiliate links for each person that you need, each person in your team. So you'll need a script writer, a voiceover actor or actress, you'll need a video editor, and then a thumbnail creator. So you'll have 4 separate affiliate links using this deep linking strategy, and you can make very good money with this process. So just to reiterate one more time, you are obviously going to sign up to become an affiliate with Fiverr. The next step is to create content based on YouTube automation or YouTube Shorts. The step after that is to create a simple checklist or guide that you're going to give to your target audience in exchange for their name and their email. And then you're going to include your affiliate links in that guide. You're also going to include affiliate links in the emails that you send as a follow-up. And you can also send emails anytime you upload a brand new video. So that will actually help you grow a little bit faster. So there's all sorts of ways that you can see success with this simple process. So that's actually way number 1. The second way out there is with TikTok ads. And this basically means that you are going to show people how to create TikTok videos, or you're going to recommend people create TikTok videos without actually being on camera. So you can hire these people. There's a lot of buzz going around where you'll hire people like UGC type people to create TikTok videos so that you don't actually have to be on camera. So this is much like YouTube automation, but this is geared towards TikTok. And you can also type in something like UGC like this, user generated content. And what you're going to do once again is you're going to create content on TikTok or YouTube or any social media talking about how you can grow on TikTok without showing your face or without you even creating the content, and then you can point people back over here. So this is a really popular opportunity. This can work for YouTube Shorts, YouTube automation, or TikTok. Of course, this method could work with anything if you want to help people start writing a blog, but they don't know where to begin, how to set up different things. But I think right now, YouTube automation and YouTube Shorts is the best opportunity for you. Now that you know how to make $100 per day with Fiverr and affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you step-by-step how to earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing without having a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.